Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope all you are doing well. Today I will show you how to create a driving license application with the help of if else condition. Okay, I will make this application user interactive by using two-way data binding. So let's open your Visual Studio Code first, and after that I will open my component TS file and component HTML file. Now for achieving two-way data binding, I have to import forms module in our module.ts file. So open module.ts file and inside imports write forms, and after that it will auto suggest you forms module. Okay, click on it and it will automatically import a forms module in your module.ts file. Now save it and after that come into component.ts file. Here create a variable called age and give a default value as 18. Now save it and come to HTML file. Here create a input and type will be number and save it and give name as age and ID will also as age, and here I will use ng model property which belongs to our forms module. Okay, so here I use ng model property to achieve two-way data binding. Now this is the syntax of our two-way data binding, and here I will assign a variable called age which is present inside our mod component.ts file. Okay, now I will give a label for this input box, okay, as uh, like age validation. Save it and let's see what's the output on browser. Yeah, it's working correctly. Now I will use some restriction for the application. For that I will use, first of all I will use property binding syntax for if else condition. Okay, for that I will use ng template and enter it, and inside it create one more element h1 and write here eligible for driving license. Okay, now in the starting tag of ng template put restriction using property binding syntax like this: ng if, and repeat it with property binding syntax. Now here I will put a condition for this if block like this: if age is greater than equal to 18, sorry, greater than equal to 18 and age is lesser than 60, then you are eligible for driving license, else you are not eligible. Okay, so save it. Let's check the output. You can see on my screen the default value is 18, so that is the reason you are eligible for driving license. If I here reduce like number 17, then this part, this block will not execute, that is ng if statement, so that you are not eligible for driving license. Now I will copy this if statement and create some more restriction for our, sorry, I will create two more restriction for our application. Like first app restriction, sorry, first restriction should be like if age is less than 16, and not and, here I will use or if age is greater than 60, then you are not eligible for driving license. And second condition will be remain same, and third condition will be for the age members who will be applying for learning license. Like here, if age is greater than 16 equal to, okay, and age is lesser than 18, then you, sorry, you are eligible for learning, okay, learning driving license. Let's check the output for our application. As of now, you are 18, so you are eligible for driving license. If your age is 17, then you are eligible for learning driving license. For 16, it will be same. If your age is less than 16, then you are not eligible for driving license. Similarly, if your age is greater than 61, then you are also not eligible for driving license. Same for the 60. Okay, for 59, you are eligible. Here I have to modify some content like equal to. Okay. Now if the age of 60 people also are eligible for the driving license. If he cross age 60, then he is not eligible for the driving license. You can see on my screen. Okay. If 60 eligible, if 61 not eligible. And if age will be in between 18 to 60, then you are eligible for the driving license. Okay, like 34 you are eligible. This is the first way of creating a simple driving license application with the help of property binding syntax. We can use also ng directive syntax for creating a application. Like here I will copy this and similarly paste it down. Copy this element, paste it here, and similarly paste here. Now in first h1 tag I will use ng directive like this, ng if, okay, and here I will put restriction, that will I also copy from here and paste it here. Okay, similarly that thing I will also copy from here and paste it here and change the syntax of if statement like this, and same for third condition. Okay, paste it here and save it. Now for every command there should be two outputs. If age is right like 17, then these two conditions should be satisfied as shown in my code. Like if I comment all of this and just a second, here I will write property binding syntax, okay, and comment it, and here I will write ng directive, syntax. Okay, and I will also comment this first and save. Now you can see it's working correctly with ng directive syntax, and this is a simple way of creating a driving license application using if else condition. You can add more feature from your own side. And guys, if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. And I hope all will. And guys, in next tutorial I will show you how to use switch case in Angular 12. Thanks for my watching video. Have a nice day.